We always have so many charging device. They need all kinds of interface charger cable, Apple lighting, Android Type-C and micro USB. Also Apple Watch charger cable. Whether you are at home or traveling outside, you have to take all kinds of interface cable. But when you have C17 all-in-one charger cable, your trouble has gone. It solves all device problem.
You can share a cable with your friends at party or give your best friends a surprise gift. It's strong nylon weaving and strong anodic alumina for best quality. We offer two kinds of charger cable and hope there is one for you.